Gabe, what is that?
Pee-pee.
We're back to it. Back in Texas, back working on the boat. It's taking us longer than we thought to get everything done, but that's kind of how life goes, right? Our goal today is to, I don't have any idea.
I think we're doing caulking.
Katie says we're doing caulking today. So the kids were out working with Todd on the boat yesterday, and I have been revamping our website. So that's spoondrifters.com if you want to take a look at it. But it is December and we have got to get this boat.
Ready to count down Christmas in 2 more days.
You think it's Christmas pretty soon? We are all getting ready to head to the boat. You guys ready to go to the boat again? What have we got?
I forgot what they're called, but you color on this like plastic sheet and then color it in and then cut it out and put it in the oven for 350 and then it shrinks and you can make like necklaces and stuff out of it.
Those are called shrinky dinks.
Yeah.
At least that's what they were when we were kids.
So today we're working on the boat and we are working on caulking, and we have to take off all the caulk down here, which I've been working on. So we've got just long random strands, and then we are going to recaulk it. So when we're taking off the caulk, we have to take it all off here. So all of these random pieces used to be like up in here. So what I've been doing is just taking it all off over here, and then we also have to take it off on this side. Oh, over here. So this we have to get off too, and it's like really in there. So yeah. So it is a lot of work, but we have these tools, and I'll show you what we do with that. So we just take it and just go all up in here, and this really reaches in to grab it. So we just do that, and we just have to get it all out from under. So it's a lot of work, but we're getting it done. So also, can we talk about my hands for a second? If it'll focus. Like on my nails are just gross. They're like peeling. The hands of a worker. Let's see what's going on over here. We got some pretty awesome Mamma Mia music. Abigail, what are you working on? So Abigail is working on scrubbing all around over here. The rope makes my legs look really tan.
I suppose what I can do is get the regular ladder out here. But
So Abigail and Dad are the only ones working right now. Gabe, what is that?
Pee-pee from your body. It's all his pee-pee.
That is.
It's his pee-pee. It's all his. No, it's all his. I didn't say anything. My dog.
Alright, what are we supposed to be doing?
Sorting Dad's tools.
So, get this weird bobber. Liberty, watch out. This goes in the weird tools. So, we are
Playing with this tool.
we're looking inside Liberty's mouth right now. That is disgusting. We are using this. We're
Let
not.
me
Don't
see.
worry, it's not like touching anything inside her mouth. We're just doing that.
That wasn't.
Katie, let me see. Can I do it now?
Yeah. So that's what we're doing instead of working. And those are our countertops right there.
Introducing Dad doing the work.
I can't reach.
Introducing Liberty doing the floss. Introducing Liberty doing the floss. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do 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 do.
Probably as good as it's gonna get. Okay, watch out.
And cut.
What are you doing?
We have to pull off this track right here to replace the broken teak back there. So I'm pulling all these out so we can get this track off. All right, Gabe, I need you to, oh, wow, 6 of them.
Your turn, Katie.
No, I'm recording.
We've made an executive decision as a family to go back to weekly videos. The biggest reason for that is that because it takes so much time to do these videos, which meant I'm not much help in all of the many things that we need to get done. We are going to be posting these. These will go live on YouTube on Sunday nights, and we are excited for you to follow along and give us a like and subscribe if you're interested in following our adventures. Can't wait to see you. Bye-bye.
Bye.